Alright guys, I just got my body mounts in for my 94 Silverado. Here was the charge. And now, I will open it up and y'all will see what I see. Go. Yes, sir. Factory style rubber body mount. Yeah. That's for the rear bed right there. All the stuff. All the stuff. Yeah. Good deal. Made in Thailand. How about that? These are made in Thailand. I don't care. As long as the rubber lasts as long as the original ones did, I'm good. But all right, that's the whole kit. 300 bucks. All right. Fixing to replace the first body bushing on old red here. And we'll start at the back of the cab, driver's side. Back of the cab's where it's always the worst. Let's see how this goes. Try to break it loose with a breaker bar. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, sweet. Ain't like those northern guys have all those troubles with it. All right. I can get an impact on this bad boy. Yeah, let me get that impact. Yoy, yoy. Yes, I got eye protection on. I know it's rusty. There we go. Get out of the way, emergency brake cable. Yeah. I mean, dang. All in all, you know, it's not very bad, is it? 28 years. Man, it's not that bad, is it? I don't see a whole lot of damage here, but yeah, looks like my frame brackets are holding up real well. It appears anyway. I'll know more when I get this bushing totally out of here. And then I'll bring y'all back for that. All right, I got the bushing out, whole thing. 28-year-old truck, 94 Silverado. And look how good that looks. Those guys up north, they only wish they looked this good. I mean, dang, that is awesome. Yeah. How about that? That's great. Yeah. Very nice. Very, very nice. I don't have no problem putting these in. And this one up here, already took it off. It's in the same shape as the other one. Same shape as the other one. I'll slide it out from under after I do this and back here. Yeah. All right. Oops. Drop the phone. But yeah, I just got one jack standing on the back of the frame here, and a board. One board, about 1.5 feet long. That's it. Easy pleasy. All right, let me get after it. All right, I got the new bushing sitting up in there. As you can see, it's a tight fit in the hole, in the frame hole. It's a really tight fit. I mean, I had to put grease around it, take a little rubber off the edge, and then force it in. I even jumped up and down on the cab to get it this far down in the hole. Yeah, I mean, they are tight. They are definitely tight on my frame brackets because mine are undamaged. No rusting out or anything, so mine's gonna be the tightest one they're gonna be for sure. But yeah, I even couldn't get the new washers. The new washers that go on here, I couldn't even get them on because they don't recess. They don't recess as well as the original one, so that I could get a thread to start up in there. So I had to put the original washer on to get the thread of the bolt on up in there to get a bite. Now after I tighten this up and pull that bushing in there real tight, I can probably get my replacement washers and bolts in, but right now I couldn't get either one of them in. So I'll work on that right now, see how that goes. See if I can get the rest of this. See if I can get the rest of this bad boy pressed off in here. As you can see, I got a little bit ways to go, and all the pressure's off the cab. And I've jumped up and down on it, like I said, and it's just sitting there. So anyway, I'll have to pull it to and with the impact. And we'll do that right now, see how that goes. Well, after tightening it up with an impact, as you can see, that didn't work either. The rubber's just trying to spread and not go inside the hole. So I think I'm gonna have to just take that back out. I might have to widen the hole. Isn't that silly? But anyway, I got to get that thing to rest flat like it's supposed to. All right, here we go. Okay, guys. Now I had trouble getting these new body mount bushings to go through the frame bracket hole. I mean, it was so tight I couldn't even press it with all the weight of the cab, and jumping up and down on it still wouldn't force into the hole. So what I did was I took my DeWalt drill with a what would you call that? Just a sanding bit. I don't know, deburring bit, whatever. Anyway, it's just a round bit that you can grind metal. I just took it and reamed that hole ever so slightly until the body mount bushing popped right in, and now it's in there. And look, I've even got a little play now. But I mean I couldn't even get it in there before. So yeah, what a huge difference that made. All right, bolt this bad boy up now. I'm done. They weren't in too bad a shape, really. I mean, not really. It's still all complete, intact. Completely intact. Bolts are easy to get out. So yeah. Yeah, these are a little mushy, but all in all, I mean, not bad. The back one on the cab, it was probably the worst one. I mean, you had some, see, It was coming apart. Yeah, it was coming apart. But still, wasn't terrible. I've seen the ones up north. I mean, they are just really gone. I mean, even the frame rusted out on those frame brackets. So, yeah. But yeah. Little mushy, few cracks, but 28 years, yeah. All Southern truck, definitely. But yeah, driver's side done. I think I'll do the passenger side now. All right. Just replaced the passenger side. They were in the same shape as the driver's side. Back one was coming apart, but still, it wasn't that bad. Front one, hardly any damage, just like the other front one. That's it. That's it for this project. The front ones on the radiator support, they look fine. And of course, I don't have any issues up there either, so I'm not gonna worry about them right now, but I do have these new ones here. Anytime I wanna put them in, I can. All right, that concludes this project.